Yeah, well, get someone else to bail you out, because it ain't gonna be me. Yeah, well, what are you gonna do about it? All right, I'm coming. Jesus Christ, look at you. You had it all. Money, fame, eternal life, and you blew it. You let it all go to your head.
I know, Peter. I guess it turns out I'm just as human as anyone else.
Yeah, well, what do we do now?
You want the truth? I think it's time for me to go. This world's not ready for me yet, and I'm not ready for it. I don't know. Maybe I'll try coming back in another 1,000 years, when I'm a little more mature.
Well, that's a very mature thing to say right there. I think you're on your way.
Well, before I go, Peter, there's something I want to give you. Hold out your hands.
Well, I guess that's it then. Jesus is gone.
I sure am gonna miss him.
Me too. Although he did give me something right before he disappeared.
What?
Something very special, Lois.
What is it, Dad?
What, you haven't heard? Crap! Oh, well, look, sorry.